Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2021. In this video, we will see what is new in SolidCAM 2021 for HSS and Sim5X. Let's look at this model, and if I had to machine this face, this face, this face, and the faces on the side, so all these 5 faces, if I had to create a program following the edge of the surfaces, I would have needed to calculate about 5 different programs. So we have one program for the top and then for the sides, so on. So you would get about 5 programs. In SolidCAM 2021, what we have is we have a possibility to support multiple curves within the same toolpath. So what we have in 2021, if I edit this toolpath, I can go into the drive surface and I can select multiple drive surfaces within the same toolpath. So I have got 5 faces in this, and then I have the edge curve, and in the edge curve I can select again individual edge curves. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 edge curves, and that's all I need to do. Define my toolpath parameters. Tool axis control is 5 axis. I'll just save it and I'll hit the calculate button. So what you're seeing now is you're seeing in one single toolpath I was able to machine 5 different sides, and all of them have been nicely linked automatically. So if I run the simulation on a machine, so this is how it's going to look like. So that's my let's go into the back plot. That's my first face, 1, then the second one, the third one. You can see the connections are all automatically done. The 4th one, and then the 5th one. So with 2021, we have a possibility to support multiple curves in a single toolpath, and this particular feature is valid only to parallel to curves strategy. Thank you very much for watching this video.